In this video, we will learn how to determine whether a function is concave or convex. The question is, the function f of x is equal to log of 1 plus e raised power x is, options are being given, concave, convex, neither concave nor convex. Okay, so we have the function f of x is equal to log of 1 plus e raised power x. Okay, now a function is said to be concave if the second derivative, that is f double prime, is less or equal to 0, okay, and convex if the second derivative is greater or equal to 0. Okay, so let's take the first derivative. To find out the second derivative, we need to find out the first derivative first. So f prime x is the first derivative of this function. So the derivative of log of 1 plus e raised power x will be 1 divided by 1 plus e raised power x. Then we use chain rule. The derivative of 1 plus e raised power x will be e raised power x again. Okay, this is the first derivative. So f prime x is equal to e raised power x divided by 1 plus e raised power x. Okay, now let us find out the second derivative. Now f double prime x means the derivative of the first derivative. So here we have this function. Our function is this. Using the quotient rule of differentiation, we write the denominator function first, 1 plus e raised power x. Then we multiply it with the derivative of the numerator function. The derivative of e raised power x is again e raised power x. Okay, so there is no change in it. So we have e raised power x minus, then we write the numerator function e raised power x and take the derivative of the denominator function. So the derivative of 1 plus e raised power x with respect to x will be derivative of constant is 1, derivative of e raised power x is again e raised power x. So we get here e raised power x, and we divide it by the square of the denominator function. Okay, it is very simple. If we have a function h of x which is equal to g of x and f of x, okay, then the derivative of h of x means we write the denominator function first and take multiply it with the numerator function's derivative, that is g prime x. Then we write the numerator function and take the derivative of the denominator function, that is f prime x, and we square the denominator function. This is the rule for differentiation. Here we have e raised power x is f of x and this function is g of x, rather g of x and f of x here. Okay, if I write it here, so it is g of x and it is f of x, and let us suppose this is h of x. I have explained how do we use the quotient rule of differentiation here. Okay, so we get f prime double prime x is equal to 1 plus e raised power x. So let us do the, so we have e raised power x times 1 is e raised power x plus, then e raised power x times e raised power x is e raised power 2 times x, bases are same, we can add the exponent, minus e raised power x times e raised power x, again e raised power 2x. Then we have 1 plus e raised power x whole square. Okay, this term and this term gets cancelled, so f double prime x is equal to e raised power x divided by 1 plus e raised power x whole square, which is greater than 0. Why? Because e raised power x is greater than 0, that means this whole term will be greater than 0. So since the second derivative came out to be greater or equal to 0, so the given function is convex. Okay, I hope I make myself clear. Thank you.